He's the face of Digital Summer Promotion and he's also repping for Pizza Hut. Dancehall artist Kemar Highcon talks to us about the success of So Saucy and beyond.
Anywhere I go, the girl them love me. Like a 4-leaf glove on me luck, yeah. And if me tell you how much girl you woulda judge me, just know say the thing well up, yeah.
How did the whole Saucy come about? What inspired the song? Are you a chef? Can you cook? What was the whole story?
I mean, the song is basically describing me, and as I use the song as a sense of motivation to people that you can be saucy. Anybody can be saucy, you understand me? It's a mood, it's a vibe, it's just a feeling, you understand me? You can put on anything and be saucy. Just be yourself and be saucy, you understand me? Whatever you want to be, you can do it in a saucy way.
What's the follow-up single?
Talk About is a follow-up single. That's a single that Digital actually took for their jingle. It's doing well. And so I have other singles out. I just released another single on Ramesh label called Chef Boyardee. That's doing very well also. So the work is putting in. I'm set to release an EP October 25th, which is my birthday. So people can look out for that also.
So saucy. You know my tees and my jeans so saucy. Every kicks from my beat so saucy. Call me king in the streets, coming saucy. Oh, me so clean, so saucy. You know my tea and my
For right now, I have an in-house producer, which is Trackstar, Barclay, and General. For right now, that's it. Right now, I'm open to work with anybody though. You know, as long as the chemistry is right, as long as it goes with my vibe, I'm open to work with anybody.
How did the journey begin for you?
Journey started about 4 years ago. Started out at the Ranch label with Shaggy. That was my major starting point, and ever since then, as I progressed through dancehall, I have a lot of endorsements from big names in dancehall: the Iodona, the I-Octane, the Shaggy, the Agent Sasko. You understand me? These are people that help me mold me in a way where I know where I'm going, you understand me? So I have to big up those people. Everybody's dues is different, you understand me? There's no time set on dues, and there's no marker of when your dues stop paying, you understand me? Whatever you do throughout life, it will pay dues, you understand me? Even when you reach success, you still pay dues, you understand me? There's no breaking point of when you stop paying dues. Yeah, it might change, you understand me? Circumstances might change, obstacles might change, but it's the same.
Sometimes I can't feel a test, and the girl feel a length, them I say I'm so blessed. You fly like bird time, them I invest, and I welcome me to them nest. Oh, me so clean, so saucy. You know my tees and my jeans so saucy.
So Saucy, which is a hit single, they reach out to me once again. You know, Peter, Saucy goes together, and from there, and you know, we come together and we make it happen.
Not the money you got from them? Enough to run the campaign, you know, and I have to big up everybody who believe in me and support me throughout this journey, you understand me? Where I'm at now, I really appreciate it. Nothing really changed for me. I'm still the same person. I remain humble. I'm still approachable. Nothing really changed, you understand me? The people make me, so I can't change on the people who make me, you understand me? I have to continue being the same person in order to continue, you understand me? Nothing changed about me. Nothing will change about me. Kemar Highcon will be Kemar Highcon before and after the sauce, during the sauce. And sauce is forever, so I won't change.
Oh, me so clean, so saucy. You know my tea and my jeans so saucy. Every kicks on my beat so saucy. Call me king in the street, coming saucy.
My long-term goal is to be a household name in music, not only dancehall. Represent Jamaica, represent dancehall, represent my culture. You understand me? I don't want to be here for a year or 2 years. I want to do it as long as possible and leave something that people can feel and be a part of.
Anywhere I go, the girl them love me. Like a 4-leaf glove on me luck, yeah. And if me tell you how much girl you woulda judge me, just know say the thing well up, yeah.
Here's another health benefit of drinking water. Listen up.
This health benefit of drinking water is brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water. It's understandable that if your body is composed of 60% water, dehydration will harm your skin. Your skin is an organ and water is important for organ function. If your skin is not getting the sufficient amount of water, the lack of hydration will present itself by turning your skin dry, tight, and flaky. Dry skin has less resilience and is more prone to wrinkling. So drinking water is great for your skin. It helps to moisturize it, keep it soft, and removes wrinkles. This health benefit of drinking water was brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water.
After the break, it's our Wray Proud Moments, the Caribbean video, and the Magnum Top 10.
One more shot.
spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Nephew, our spirit.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we are shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We are hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.